Oh hey, there is one more thing. A bunch of you are asking how I was able to use copyrighted music on my YouTube channel legally. There is a way to do it, and I'll show you how now. So this is a service I really like, and I'll make sure to link it in the description down below. This service already has amazing artists such as Rick Astley, The Kinks, Visage that I used in my latest vlog, and it's all real artists with real music, no copyright claims, you keep 100% of the revenue. Finally, there is this opportunity for creators to use commercially recognized popular music in their creations. I'm going to show you how it works. It's called Licked, and you simply register or sign in to an account. Really easy, you just link it with your Google account. I'm going to do that now quickly. Linking to your YouTube channel simply allows Licked to see how many views on average you get per video, as that's exactly how the licensing fees work on this site. Let's go ahead and license a track. Okay, you can see how many subscribers I've got, which is really, really cool. Now I can do a search, for instance, in the search bar. Let's go up here and let's look for Visage. Okay, so Visage is the track I want to use, and I want to use Fade to Grey, and I really like the orchestral version of this. Absolutely brilliant. It's a re-release from 2014, and I simply, when I find the track, I click license. As simple as that, and standard for my channel is just £6, or if you're in the US, it'll be around $8, may vary depending on the region you're in. But you simply click standard, and of course they also have brand sponsored options that are becoming available as well. So I've done that, it's now in my basket. I can add something else if I'm feeling in a rather cool musical mood, and well, for this video for you, I am. Rick Astley, his latest album is called Beautiful Life, and I definitely want to use that as well, so I'm going to click license again, and as you can see, all these tracks here, standard licensing for a YouTube channel of my size with my amount of average views is £6. It may vary for you, but generally, if you're starting out, if you're a small to medium-sized creator, this is going to be the price you'll pay. Okay, 2 tracks in my basket, there they are, I can see what they are, perfect. Average video views displayed here. Now I can go over to payment details, and you can see here displayed, I'm paying a £12 total price. Let's click complete here, and we'll go through the checkout. So this is the point where I put in all of my information. I'm going to do that very quickly now. And there you go. Now you can see I have licensed in my account Fade to Grey, the orchestral version from Visage, and also Rick Astley's Beautiful Life. I can go ahead now, download these tracks. Very easy to do so. Click to make sure I understand. I must add the Licked licensing attribution to my video description, which is not a problem at all. It's all here for me. They also provide a 320 kbps MP3, so high quality, that's what I like to see. Download the track. That'll come down, and then I can start to use it. Okay, once I've finished downloading my tracks, I can get rid of that window. I can go over to the video that I'm editing, and there are those beautiful MP3 files. I can drag them, drop them into Premiere Pro or whatever I'm using to edit my video, my vlog, my YouTube, and there they are. And look, here we go. This is absolutely fantastic. Now I can drop in a little bit of video footage, and if I like as well, I can drop in a little bit of Rick Astley as the background music. I'm not going to get any copyright claims. This is the way you can use copyrighted music on YouTube videos legally right now. And if you'd like to use this service yourself, just go ahead and check the description in the video. Let me know what commercial and popular song you're going to use in a video, or that you'd like to use, in the comments down below.